Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for a talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when Leo's here, of course, we go to places. But today, I think it's time to introduce another proverb. 今天呢，我们来静下心，来介绍谚语吧。
好啊，那我先念咯。
好，
青年樂意有喜逢，
青年樂意有喜逢，
十隻感言九隻空，
十隻感言九隻空。好多生字的感觉哦。
对、啊，
怎么办？来介绍几个生字吧。
好吧。
第一句是什么？
好，第一句哈，青叶落意有喜逢，青叶就是7月嘛，不用讲了哈。落意下雨。
哦，对，然后落雨了，落水了，对不对 ？OK， 落意 that's rain。
好，有喜逢，
有喜逢。
哎呀，7月什么最多？
鬼啊！
不是啦，台风啦，对，台风啦，
台风啊，对，哦，风啊，
对，
哦，又下雨又有风的意思了。
对啊
，OK，
台风哈，客家话叫做风财，
对 ，OK， Typhoon season is in, and so this first part of the proverb, there is rain and there is wind, OK， 然后第二句呢？
第二句哈，十隻感言九隻空，你看台風都來了，那農作物是不是都遭殃了？
很多灾難，
對不對？所以十隻感言，感言就是橘子園，
感言哦 ，tangerine farms，OK，这听起来好甜哦，好想去摘来吃哦。
对，但是台風一過，就全部都空了，好慘哦，對不對
？That's so sad. What a sad, depressing story. 9 out of 10 tangerine fields are empty after a storm. OK，所以这个叫做甘園嘛，
对，
就有这个橘子嘛。橘子怎么说呢？
甘美，
然后甘園。
感言
Okay, that is the tangerine field. All right, let's hear the entire explanation in English.
In the month of July, typhoons bring heavy rains and winds that often cause flooding and destroy crops, leaving farmers helpless. This loss of a season's harvest is devastating to them. That's why many never throw caution to the wind and vigilantly prepare for upcoming storms. Many Hakka people say you shouldn't be afraid of ghosts in July, but should be afraid of floods. They fear the typhoons in July because of their raw power and the devastation they bring.
And Leo, 来，再讲一次我们这个谚语。
好，青葉落意有喜逢，十隻感言九隻空。
All right， 所以呢，我不怕鬼，但是怕台風了。
是的，真的。
All right，that does it for today's talk about Hakka。
什麼大家？
俺是谁张來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.